Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here in my entryway and I'm going to be doing a little small refresh from what I just did. And I know you're probably saying, she just did an entryway, but yes I did. But I want to change it to some fall colors and make it look more festive for the fall and the Thanksgiving season. Because once I do it this time, I won't change it throughout the Thanksgiving holidays. I'll keep it here. I may just come in this area and clean it off again, polish the furniture, and maybe clean the mirror. But the decoration will be the same from now until after Thanksgiving. So I'm going to be doing that right now. And I'm going to put some colors that will represent the Thanksgiving holidays as well as the fall. So the flowers I'm going to be decorating with, that is where the color will come in for the holidays, for Thanksgiving and also for this fall time right now. So this is what I'm going to be doing now. And I'm going to start first by using this Entryway glass cleaner, and I'm going to clean my mirror, which I'm going to do right now. And then I'm going to use this Pledge to clean off the table. I'm also going to clean my glass here on my door with this Entryway glass cleaner as well. And I'm going to hang a little fall wreath outside the door, and it's the same one I used last year. I'm looking around to buy a new one, and I realized, why buy a new one when I got a nice one already? So I'm going to use the same one I used last year. So stay with me on that. So the first thing I want to do is I want to clean off this surface here, this glass. It's not too dusty because I just cleaned it a couple of weeks ago, but I'm going to clean this, freshen it up a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to take this cleaner, take this away, and I'm going to use this Pledge on this table, just to clean it off a little bit. Okay. Now this little family here, I've been having her for a long time. It's a baby and a husband and a wife, and I just like it. It's just nice. So I'm gonna use it today to be a part of this desk, this table. And I found these little pumpkins at the Dollar Tree. So I thought I'd buy 3 of them, and they were just, as you know, $1.25. And I bought 3. They come in green, they come in teal color, and they come in beige. But I bought 3 beige. This on the table because it's got gold. You know how I feel about, as long as I have this mirror up with gold in it, it's cream and gold. I want to keep something on the table with gold. So this is like a little tray that you could put your keys in when you come in, or even your eyeglasses, or anything that you want to just remember to pull up and when you're walking out the door. And so this is what I'm putting here. And I grab it, so I'll put that on the side like that. As you can see, it's on the side. Put it to the side like that. And then to give it another little bit of an accent of gold, I put these candlesticks here. And with these candlesticks, I have an orange color candle in it. And that would match the season with orange and yellows and greens. So I made them short. I cut them down like that because I didn't want tall candles. So I made them little short candles. And then I just fix this little arrangement here to be in the center. Of the table. And so that's it. That's what I'm gonna so that's the decoration for this area. Very simple, very plain, but it is festive. And it's good for not only saying fall, but also Thanksgiving time. We use these same colors during the Thanksgiving holidays as well. So this is the decoration for this area. And I'm gonna clean off my door a little bit, the glass, with the glass cleaner. Here for my decoration to be hung, so I won't have to keep putting it up and on it or not. It's up there and it's gonna be up there all the time. I want to show you this wreath. This wreath is from last year, and I'm going to put it back on the door. I just added a few yellow flowers in it just to match with the foyer and some of the other decorations I'm going to have here in our house, because it's basically beige, cream and beige color with a little green. But I put some of the yellow on each side just to kind of represent some of the yellow that's in this room. So I'm going to hang this outside. I'm gonna hang this on a door for my fall outside decoration. you the entryway area from a different angle. And I also took up the gray rug and I put down a yellow and cream color runner. But I wasn't pleased with it being so close to the door because it was a long runner. So I pulled it down and I just kept it in the area because I am going to put some creams and yellows in the study right next to this entryway. And the entryway also had some yellows and some creams in it. So it blends really well with the area, but it didn't fit right at the door. So I moved it back a little bit. Let me know what you think about that. Okay, guys, that's the fall entryway decoration. And now I'm going into my bathroom and I'm going to do a refresh and organize of my bathroom closet. Okay, here's my organized and refreshed bathroom closet. I bought the little trays that you see, the little white, red, and black trays, and I got each one of them from the Dollar Tree to be able to organize different things in the closet. Okay, I wanted to show you how I organize the closet. I have the deodorant all together in a little container. I have the razor blades all in a container in the front for easy access. I always buy extra toothbrushes in case someone comes over and may need one. I have toothpicks here and also have dental floss in this section. I put all my oil sheens and hairsprays together in this section for easy access. And then I have some other hair products all in this little section here. And over here I have a first aid supplies, which I keep all together and I put it in a little red box for my grandchildren in case they have little cuts or bruises and they need to rush over to get a Band-Aid or some ointment or this hydrogen peroxide. And those are the things I keep in one section. And as I said, I put it in a little red box so they could just know exactly where to go for it. Here I have my face products. I use a retinol and a collagen on my face morning and night. Here's some more hair products with exception to this red jar right here, which is just a jewelry cleaner, but I put it all in that same section. Here I keep my liquid soaps and my sea salt or my bath salts right here in this section. Here again is another little miscellaneous section with different items in it. And then I keep my toothpaste and my extra bars of soap in this area. And here I have my blow dryer, my curling iron, and those kind of electrical things right there. This is another little miscellaneous area, but here basically I keep like shower caps or toothbrush carrier holders. When we travel, we'll grab one of those and put our toothbrush in it. And at the bottom here, I keep a little bit of cleaning products. And also at the very top, I have all cleaning products for the bathroom or, just for any area of the house. Thanks for watching. I hope that this video inspired you to do something in your closet. May God bless you. May God keep you. Bye-bye.